Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Momomakeup here. Today I want to show you guys the Anastasia Beverly Hills Daytime PR Kit. There is an eyeshadow quad in here, 2 liquid lipsticks, and also these sunglasses came inside, but I have them on right now so you cannot see my eye look that I created. If you are interested to see me review the brand new Daytime collection from Anastasia Beverly Hills, then please keep on watching. Let's get into it. Okay, you guys, so I chose to pick up the Daytime collection. I was able to get the PR box right when it launched. It was a toss-up for me, you guys, between the Daytime and the Sunset collection. I would have liked to have tried both, but I ended up going with the Daytime. I just liked the lipsticks better in the Daytime one. It came inside this cardboard box with this nice big bubble wrap. Here is what it looks like. So when I open it up, the glasses are a little out of place, but here is a first look at the PR package. You have both lipsticks here and the eyeshadow quad, and then these cute sunglasses. Anti-glare, 100% UV protection. I wasn't sure if these were actually real sunglasses or not. Super cute. Everything looks pink, but that's fine. Oh my god, they're so cute. And I also did want to mention, if you buy it as a set, you do save $22. The price of each of these liquid lipsticks is $20 a piece, and then the eyeshadow quads retail for $32. It's much smaller in person than I thought it would be. I have pretty small hands, and this is about the size of my palm. But still, it's so cute. Here is what the shadows look like. I love them. Oh, I cannot wait to create a look. Let's go ahead, let's swatch these, you guys. Ooh, yes. There's the gold shade. It doesn't have shade names on the back. There is the tan shade. Wow, you guys, these are swatching amazing. Amazing. Wow, oh my gosh, I love that color. No, wait, hold on. I do have glasses on. Yes, I love it. It's like like an orange cream type color. Okay, so there's the quad. Let me wipe off my fingers. Let's swatch the lipsticks. This one is in the shade Sunset Punch. I absolutely love. Let's see how it swatches though. Yeah, I knew I was gonna like that. That is what Sunset Punch looks like. And this one is called Bellini. Both are very opaque and they go on nice and smooth. With the Bellini lipstick, I can kind of almost feel when I'm applying it to the back of my hand here. It feels a little bit gritty. I want to see how it feels on the lips, but I can honestly feel it when I'm applying it to my skin. It just feels like I can feel the glitter in it. But let's see. I just love this PR package. And I would like to think that I'm one of those people that never gets suckered into like little gimmicks and little like trinkets and stuff like that. But when I saw these sunglasses, oh my god, guys, I almost bought the one with the freaking neon light. Like I was like, that neon light is so cute, and I think it was like $60 if you get the one that has the neon light. But then I had to reel it back in. I had to reel myself back in and think to myself, what the hell am I gonna do with a neon palm tree light? So this is what I ended up with. Here are all the swatches. This looks amazing. Oh, okay, let's get this on my eyelids. Let's create a look. Oh, so you guys have to tell me if you notice a difference with my lighting. I actually bought like a softbox light to go with my ring light because it wasn't enough coming from the front. I had to bring it in from both sides. So tell me if you notice a difference. I do, and I hope the quality is better for you guys. Anyway, let's get into the eyeshadow look. I'm gonna go in here with this shade and I'm going to just apply it to my crease. I'm just gonna do one eye on camera and then I'll do the other eye off camera. So, okay, you guys, super powdery, a lot of kick up, but you guys know, anyone who's tried Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadows, the mattes tend to have a lot of kick up, but they are very pigmented. So it's kind of like the balance beam, like, you know, you end up with a good payoff, but you can end up with a lot of fallout. Okay, so that laid down beautifully. Now I'm going to go in with the orange shade here. And I'm sorry, you guys, I never mentioned what type of brushes I'm using. For blending that out, I used a brush that we got in an Ipsy bag. This is a T35 Precise Blending Brush from Schmiss Glam, something like that. It looks like this. Now I'm gonna go in with a Luxie 229 Tapered Blending Brush with that orange color. And I'm just going to pat that on my outer and inner corner. Kind of try and blend it up to create like a halo effect, because I'm gonna go in and do a halo eye. I mean, there's like a limited number of looks you can do with a 4-pan eyeshadow palette. So far so good. I'm not seeing any fallout under my eyes, just a little bit of like mascara flaking off because I was too lazy to take my mascara off. Okay, now let's go in with this shade right here, the rose gold shade, and we're gonna apply that to the middle of my eyelid. I'm gonna coat the brush real well. This is a Luxie 213 eye shading brush. I'm not sure if we're gonna end up having to go back in with like some setting spray on the brush, but we'll see. Yeah, so that didn't really do much of anything. I don't know if you can even see. Actually, let's try it with our finger. Wish me luck, because my nails. Okay, let's see. Better, but not good enough. I want to try this with setting spray. Oh, let's see. Yeah, that's much better. You definitely want to wet your brush to get maximum impact. And I kind of just turned this into a like semi-cut crease. Definitely noticing fallout now, guys. Now I'm gonna go back in with my Luxie 229 Tapered Blending Brush. Gonna go back in with the matte tan shade, and I'm going to just blend this up top here. Okay, I'm going to do the other eye off camera, add some lashes. I'll be right back. Okay, so I went in and completed the other eye, and then I applied the velour mink lashes in the style Wisp It Real Good. What do you guys think? The shadows, in my opinion, performed beautifully. You have to be careful because there is a lot of fallout with the matte, and even the shimmer shade did have fallout as well. I did have to go in with my Real Techniques brush and just swipe it away. It didn't leave any streaks or anything, so that's good. It's just a fair warning. Let's try the lipsticks. I think I'm gonna try them both on for you guys, just so you know what they look like. First, I'm gonna go in here with the shade Bellini. This is the one that I did mention felt gritty. Let's see what it feels like on the lips. So one swipe coverage, I think it looks nice. It feels interesting now that it's on the lips. Like I can't, it has like a gritty texture, but like a very finely milled grit. Like it's not like chunky. Now that it's drying down, it's harder to notice actually. I love the way this looks. What do you guys think? All right, let's wipe this off and try on the other shade. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the shade Sunset Punch. Right off the bat, much smoother than the Bellini shade. Has a nice flexible doe foot. Also, I did want to mention that. Also, doesn't really smell like anything at all, really. Love this shade. Feels soft on the lips. What do you guys think? Final thoughts. This set, if you are a fan of Anastasia Beverly Hills and all of her products, I would highly recommend you pick this up. I'm not sure, however, if they have it in the PR box anymore. I did see it available, but it did not mention being in the PR box. If that's not a big deal to you, then who cares? You can still pick it up. And you will save, like I mentioned, $22 on the set. But if you were just thinking about getting the eyeshadow or the lipsticks, then you could do that too. The lipsticks applied well. Like I mentioned a few times, the Bellini shade did have some grittiness to it. But once I applied it to the lips, it did feel a little bit better. Also, the Sunset Punch I thought looks gorgeous on my lips. Both are liquid lipsticks. They're not glosses, they're not lip toppers, they're lipsticks. As far as the quad goes, it performed to me like any of the other Anastasia shades do. The mattes had some fallout, and so did the shimmer shades, but they perform beautifully, highly pigmented, and it's just a cute little set. And I like that Anastasia did the quad instead of the palette. So it gives you guys a chance to spend a little bit less money and still get the Anastasia experience. I'm so glad that I bought this set. I'm now half tempted to pick up the cool quad, but we'll see. I might just stick with what I have here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment down below if you have anything to say about my review. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up before you leave, and I will see you on the next video. Bye guys.